6 people who regretted taking DNA tests. In-house DNA testing kits like 23andMe and Ancestry DNA can tell you about your family history by spitting in a tube and waiting for just a few weeks. Many times, such secrets are revealed by this DNA test that people regret after using it. Number 1. George Doe. A reproductive biologist named George Doe, while teaching genome, decided that he would buy this kit for his parents too. But this gift came out to be his worst gift. He came to know that 22% of his DNA matched an unknown man, and 25% of the DNA matches showed his grandfather, uncle, or a cousin. He did his test on his parents and some close relatives to know more, and the result matched 50% with Thomas. This meant that he was the son of Thomas. Doe angrily approaches Thomas and learns that he was adopted as a child. When George started connecting the links, he came to know the truth, and the result that led to the divorce of his parents was that he separated his parents. He also posted his story online to make others aware of the DNA home test. Number 2. Lydia Fairchild. Lydia Fairchild was a single mother who already had 2 children and was expecting her 3rd child. But due to her poor financial condition, she thought of taking help from the government schemes for which her DNA test was mandatory. But when the test results came out, she was shocked because according to the test, she was not the mother of these children. Recovering from this shock, Fairchild demanded more government witnesses to conduct an immediate DNA test during the birth of her next child, and this proved to be a negative test. But then some infuriated scientists concluded that the result of Fairchild is unique in itself because these results were a rare medical chimera, which meant that he had absorbed his twin in the womb and the DNA of these twin children was visible in his result. DNA tests sometimes pose many questions instead of answers, especially when you know that you are a hybrid of your own unborn twin. Your life can change. Number 3. Family Christmas. 2018, a son gifted DNA kits to his parents on Christmas Eve, but seeing that his mother angrily refused to take the test because by doing this, there could have been a risk of a chemical reaction. When he explained that there was no chemical involved, she said that only 1 child would take the test and the remaining kits should be sold. Hearing this, the parents quarreled. He understood that he had spoiled Christmas. The parents knew about the test results, so she finally revealed how the two had fallen in love with each other after her first daughter's father passed away. Number 4. Kelly Rowlette. Kelly, a 36-year-old woman, sent DNA samples to Ancestry.com and found that she had no connection with her father. When Rowlette wanted to confirm this with her divorced mother, her mother was shocked too. Rowlette's parents had contacted a fertility clinic before Kelly's birth and requested a university student to be given as their donor, but everyone was shocked with the test results. The couple's doctor tried to get Mrs. Rowlette pregnant during her 3 months treatment using his sperm and was Kelly's biological father. Kelly could not understand this, and then she decided to pursue a case against a retired gynecologist under fraud, medical negligence, defamation, and emotional trauma. Number 5. COBB. Sometimes the DNA test results also expose hidden secrets. COBB was a man who was more fond of white people and had also bought land for them in a place called Leith in North Dakota. He was so proud of being white that in 2013 he agreed to have his DNA tested on a national TV show by Trisha Goddard. This test showed that they were in reality 86% European and 14% Sub-Saharan African. Trisha said that you have a little black in you. COBB's anger was worth watching then. He said that it was just a statistical noise that was being used to promote multiculturalism. Not only this, a study done by a forum called Stormfront, which was a platform for whites to discuss their heritage, showed that only 1/3 people are 100% white. Number 6. Killer blood. In 2019, a man shared his nightmare on social media, where his several-year-old relationship ended due to DNA tests. That too because of some peculiar truth. The 26-year-old brought DNA test kits for himself and his girlfriend, but the test results did not seem to be normal, so he started making a list of names that could be his genetic match. On doing this, he came to know that he was related to a serial killer. When the man contacted his family to confirm this, he found out that his family had hidden this from him, but had made every effort to keep him away from that person. His girlfriend did not accept this truth and ended their relationship. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.